final stretch for hot weather, or the extreme stuff. You can see the burnt up leaves, and the Batsias perked up last night, but now they're down again, and they're actually showing more burns. The wind is just so dry and desiccating. Covered the tree fern. I covered my giant rhododendron. It was showing a lot of damage. Unfortunately, my Scheffler de Levi's, wow, is really showing the same. Look at this. It's just so hot. We broke the record again. I think they just were saying that they're at 113 right now. In Salem, which is just a little bit south of us, is 116. Look at this. Like, see those ferns? They look good yesterday. It's just the cumulative total of the heat and the wind is just, I mean, those hostas are burnt. It's a Chinese fan palm burnt. More burnt hostas, more burnt flowers. Even windier today. So this is our east wind coming in from the continent. I mean, it feels like an oven. There's no other way to describe it. Low humidity, high winds, high sun. A lot of plants yesterday that were holding on are looking worse today. It's just 3 days in a row is an awful lot, even with water. It's 5 p.m. right now. Surprisingly, the bananas are holding on. Usually they're the first ones to be toast. Mexican orange are pretty droopy. But within the next hour or so, the wind is going to change direction. We're going to get, instead of east wind coming from the interior of the continent, we'll be getting a southerly flow. I guess there's a strong system coming in off the ocean. It's going to be pushing in real cold air, or cooler air, and we're probably, within the next hour from now, between 5 and 6, we'll probably hit our peak, all-time hottest temperature here in Oregon, and then the wind is going to change direction, so we're facing the direction it's coming from. Honestly, it's like a blast furnace. Again, if we're just hot and low humidity, that would be one thing. It's this wind, it's just such a killer. But so the wind is coming from that direction, and it's going to be coming more from the southwest, and that'll bring in cool air, and we're supposed to drop anywhere between 40 and 50 degrees, and the temperature should start dropping about close to 10 degrees an hour. Look at these little impatiens that last night they were fine. This morning they look great, and now just the cumulative total is just really causing a lot of damage. The palms are fine, but a lot of my supporting plants are not. So we'll see how it goes, but we're right about at peak, like the hottest temperature ever in Oregon in recorded history. Wow, even the eucalyptus is looking droopy. That is wild. That is not something I think I've seen before. So another hour or so, we should start to see an improvement. I mean, it's hot. It's just so hot. I can feel the heat coming off the house. It's something else. So hoping when this passes and get some more reasonable temperatures that a lot of these plants can kind of grow out of the damage that they've been experiencing. So anyway, if you're wondering why my voice is sounding so weak, I had a medical procedure today, so I'm still kind of under the effects of anesthesia. But I'll remember this appointment, you know, hottest day in Pacific Northwest history. So do an update later on, maybe, you know, 9 o'clock tonight. We'll see where we're at. We should be much cooler by then. So we'll see. Thanks for watching.